weekend they've got Orange County. And now we've got our first sub.
Well, new face for Orlando City.
Yeah, Bitielo Jacques. So he will come in for Tyler Turner there at right back. Well, and Bitielo is the newest addition to this roster, native of Haiti, who signed a couple of weeks ago.
Well, yeah, for Orlando City, as we mentioned, Carl Wazinski making his home debut in between the pipes for the Orlando City Lions. Jean-Jacques Bitielo will be manning down the left back spot. Next to him will be Rob Valentino.
Christian Camacho there in the midfield for Dayton. Now along that yellow touchline. Left back physically facing Bitielo. Estrella in front. Boy, goes right in front. Boy, dangerous ball inside the 6.
Very dangerous. It's not an easy league to play in by any stretch of the imagination.
Now Molino, another ball from Jake. Chasing 1-0 game. Valentino back up. Baton, the second place team in the league, Richmond.
Well, it shows the strength of Orlando City. Yes, they can go out and drop results, but this team can step up into the MLS ranks and beat some teams in the MLS. So it's a very, very strong squad. No, I wanted to. Space opens up for Orlando.
Oh, another deflection. Right on target. Williams having no luck again.
Orlando City a little bit out of rhythm given their slayer.
Finishes up for Dayton. Closes the season at home against Wilmington on the 5th. Here's Molino, gets a beat and earns a corner kick. It's not for Jean-Jacques has had a nice game so far tonight.
Yeah, I mean,
and there for Luke Bowden, who's been injured.
I think he's done a good job. There's not been really anything come down the left-hand side.